heard the term Bridezilla, but have you ever heard of
Momzilla, Sisterzilla, Friendzillas, and we get them all the time.
Take it from the owner of the Persnickety Bride in Newtown, Connecticut, Denise Bazit-Bouchou.
There's a whole dynamic going on during this, so we want everybody to just be very calm and relaxed and enjoy the process.
So to help things go smoothly and avoid the dreaded Zilla name, she is sharing some bridal shop etiquette with us. Let's start off with the mothers of the bride.
Moms have to come in with a really open mind because your daughter is not necessarily going to like everything that you like.
So she says, try and let your daughter find her own style.
It's always nice to give opinions in a very nice way, but to be too critical can be very hurtful. So try not to be too critical.
And if you don't like the dress your daughter's picked, but you already told her you'd pay for it,
don't throw your credit card at the salesperson, okay? I've had this happen several times. Be kind to the people that are in the shop.
And if the salon has mother of the bride's dresses,
sit down and wait for your bride to come out. This is her time.
Now to all the friends of the bride.
If your boyfriend hasn't gotten engaged to you and you've been dating him for 6 years and your girlfriend is now engaged and she's only been dating her boyfriend for 2 years, don't let that jealousy into the conversation.
Remember, you're there to support the bride.
She knows that you're upset over your boyfriend. We get it.
Also,
put your phones away, unless you're, of course, photographing the bride.
And listen up, sisters.
We've had situations with Sisterzillas that have come in and we go into the room with the bride and the bride starts crying, saying they've always been attacking me ever since I was a little girl. Now, that's not nice.
She says keep the sibling rivalries out of it.
It's time to be joyous and happy for your younger sister, your older sister, or whatever.
Finally, some tips for the brides themselves.
To be very honest with you, you need to come into a salon and chill. We know that you're stressed,
but Denise says rest easy knowing you are in good hands.
We know what to place you in. We know what to do.
And if you liked the experience, you can tip your bridal stylist.
It's proper to do something like that.
Minding our P's and Q's while wedding dress shopping.